guys, it's Joe for the Joke Man, and I'm with my friend. And we both have our fidget spinners. Here, and we just got our fidget spinners. Yeah, mine's the best. Mine. Wow. We're gonna do a few fidget spinner things, and let's get into this. So. Hi, Dad. All right. Spin it. Just spin it. Hold on. Here. Mine's a YouTube color. Red, black, and silver. So, we are just taking a walk around our neighborhood, and there's this baby at this house. I'm not going to show you the house. Actually, there's no one in it, so I don't see anyone. So, we are just... I thought I heard a car. I'm not going to show you then. Alright. We have... Can I play? Okay, I don't care. Oh. And then there's a car. Alright. So we are just walking around. Just doing nothing. What? What? Yeah, let's go down here to the side of my house, well, our house. Well, not really. He's just my friend. All right. Yeah, my parents shaved the trees. Yeah, that's my first house. All right. Hey, that little red bird feeder. That right there. That bird feeder. That just stopped. I can spin better. Let's watch. Alright, now.
I can spin for 2 minutes, 17 seconds.
Fixed it. Okay. Now oh, this is my nest. Yeah, this is our nest. That's my nest I made. It's not the best. Alright, here, you hold this. Hold this, and I'm going to try to do,
Oh! Let me try.
Okay, hold on. Crap.
Missed.
Your turn. My fidget spinner is the best. Hashtag my fidget spinner is the best. Alright.
Oh, and look at this. Oh!
That was horrible.
Oh, and look at this. Please.
Oh, wait. Here. Here, look. I'm going to put the camera down. Look, don't step on it. Alright. Well, we will be doing a challenge in the next video. And have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Look at the bush. Okay, I'm serious. Wait, is this thing still on?
And
Oh, no. Oh, okay, bye.